Hi White Group. Our sound for today is Q. And Q has a special friend that follows it, and it's an ah, because Q is for queen, and the queen always goes first, and it's always followed by ah. So when you see this, say Q. My turn, your turn. Q. Q. Q, Q, Q. Good. When you see this, say queen. And when you see this, say Q. Ready? Q. Q. Queen. Queen. Q. Great. So we're going to get Fred to come and say, so whisper some words in my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to blend them. Ready? Quit. Quit. Queen. Queen. Quick. Quick. Quip. Quip. Very good. Now I'm going to hide quit in our cards. Okay, are you ready? There we go. When you see it, point to it. Ready? Here we go. S, k, e, a. Has a nice tall back. Good. Are you pointing? A, d, n, s, k. Okay, I'm going to shuffle again. You've done a really good job. Ready? Here we go. Oh, here we go. E, a, or rather a, d, n, s, k. Very good. When you write it, it goes like this. It goes round, round her head, down past her earring, and down her hair and flick. So you can practice that in your sheets that I have sent you. Have fun. Moms and dads, the 2 words that you're going to ask your children to spell today are quit and quick. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.